So today I'm going to show you an everyday easy makeup tutorial that literally takes just 5 minutes and it looks really natural and is very quick. So let's get started. So I'm going to just first prime my face because usually whenever I head out of the house, I keep my makeup on till the night, and for it to last long, I always use a primer. I'm just going to dot it on top of all my areas where I have acne or oiliness on my face. And after that, I'm just going to use a foundation. You can use any. Dot it onto your face, and once it's all dotted, just make sure to blend it using a beauty blender. Now, if you use a beauty blender, that makes the base much more natural and much more even. I'm using a concealer to just conceal my dark spots and under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend it using the same beauty blender. Then I'm just going to set all the foundation and concealer using a compact powder so that it doesn't move at all. And for a very natural finish, I'm just going to bronze and contour my face just very little bit, not overdoing it, on the cheekbones and also a little on the forehead and the nose. I'm taking a very natural pinkish nudish color of a cream blush, and I'm going to dab it using a beauty blender. I'm taking the same brown shade that I use for my contouring to just create a small definition on my eyelids. Then I'm taking my highlighter and using a tapered brush, I'm going and putting it in the inner corners of my eye so that it brightens and looks really nice during the daytime especially. I'm going to use the same highlighter for the nose, for the highest points of my face. And then moving ahead, I will be filling in and brushing my eyebrows. Then I'm using a mascara and finishing my eye makeup using it. I'm going to brush it on the top lashes and also on the bottom lashes. I'm finishing this makeup look using a pinkish brownish shade. It is actually not a liquid lipstick, neither it is a cream lipstick, it's something in between, and it looks really nice. So that's about it. That's the complete makeup look, and it is really natural. It's very quick. It literally just takes 5 minutes. And whenever I'm in a hurry, I always like to do this makeup tutorial. You can always make amendments in the tutorial according to your needs and requirements. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.